So, very often we see and meet people who are extremely successful on the outside. They are very rich, have amazing houses, you name it, and they have it. But the result of that is that they have lost their personal life and their health. They can't make meaningful relationship. People around them are just there because these people have money. So once they realize that, what they try to do is they start doing diet. They try to force themselves onto other people, and a lot of these challenges in terms of health relationship is continuously that they start facing, and the solutions that they try to do never work. A lot of people struggling at their job, they blame their bosses for what their situation is, but that is not true. What actually they should be doing is quitting their job and start doing their business, or whatever their dreams are, they should start following that. But instead of that, they just sit and crib about their bosses. So basically, these are all deep issues, and there are solutions through which you can fix these things. It could be successful people who want to get back their relationships and health. It could be an unsuccessful person who wants to become successful. These are all deep problems and need immediate attention. But what are the solutions for it? Let's see it in the next reel.